Welcome to Factful Finance, where we help you make sense of your financial future, one step at a time. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about what would happen to your family if something were to happen to you? It's a difficult thought, but an important one. Today, we're diving into something that can give you peace of mind: life insurance for parents. Did you know that more than 40% of Americans don't have any life insurance coverage at all? That statistic is pretty staggering, especially when you think about how much protection it could offer your loved ones. But life insurance isn't just about having a policy in place. It's about the right protection for your unique situation. So let's talk about why it's a must-have for parents and how to make sure you're covered properly. First off, life insurance is more than just a safety net. It's a tool to protect your family's financial future. In the unfortunate event that something happens to you, life insurance ensures that your family's needs are met, things like housing, education, healthcare, and day-to-day living expenses. You want to make sure your family doesn't face unnecessary financial burdens during an already challenging time. Let's break down how life insurance works and why it's essential for parents. There are two main types of life insurance to consider: term life and whole life. Term life insurance is simpler. It's coverage for a specific period, say 10, 20, or 30 years. This can be a great option for parents with younger children or larger mortgages who need affordable coverage that lasts until their kids are financially independent. It's straightforward and less expensive compared to whole life insurance, which offers lifetime coverage and builds cash value. While it's more costly, whole life insurance can be an option if you want both protection and an investment element. But the real question is, how much coverage do you need? Here's an easy guideline. You'll want to ensure that your life insurance payout is enough to cover things like funeral costs, any remaining debts, and ongoing expenses like tuition or childcare. Financial planners often suggest aiming for a coverage amount that's 10 to 15 times your annual income, but this can vary based on personal circumstances. Let's take a look at a real-world example. Meet Emma and James, two parents with a 5-year-old daughter, Amelia. Emma works as a teacher, while James is a software engineer. Together, their combined income supports their family, but if something were to happen to either of them, the other would face a huge financial burden. Emma and James decided to take out a $500,000 term life insurance policy for both of them. This would cover their mortgage, provide for Amelia's future education, and ensure that the surviving parent wouldn't struggle financially. They also made sure to revisit their policies every few years as their financial situation changed, keeping their coverage aligned with their needs. Now, let's talk numbers. A 30-year-old in good health might pay around $20 to $30 per month for a $500,000 term life insurance policy. That's a small price to pay for the peace of mind knowing that your family will be taken care of no matter what happens. But there's more to it than just getting a policy and forgetting about it. Financial experts recommend reviewing your life insurance every few years, especially after major life events like the birth of a child, a job change, or purchasing a new home. Adjusting your coverage ensures that your policy always matches your family's evolving needs. Before we move on, a quick reminder: this video is for educational purposes only, and while we share tips and insights, it's always best to consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance based on your unique situation. So, let's recap. Life insurance isn't just a luxury for parents. It's a crucial tool to protect your family. Whether you choose term life for its affordability or whole life for its long-term benefits, having the right coverage can be the difference between financial stability and uncertainty. Take a moment to assess your family's needs and consider what would happen if you weren't there to provide for them. What's the first step you'll take toward securing life insurance for your family? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more financial tips that can help you protect your loved ones and your future. We think you'll also enjoy the video shown on screen next. Take a look. It could be just what you need to reach your financial goals. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance. your trusted source for all things financial.